Hi, I'm James, and this is my wife, Kim.
Hi, and welcome to Classic Cars Cafe.
We do sales, service, and storage of classic cars, but we really love Corvettes. We sell cars under Memory Auto Sales.
Come on in and let's take a look around.
'67 Corvette Coupe, 27,000 original miles, leather, factory air conditioned, power steering, power brakes, power windows, spectacular original car. For sale, 1970 matching numbers, 350 horse, 4-speed with AC, power windows, original colors, and original bill of sale. 1962 327 fuel injection, matching numbers, 4-speed, radio delete, Bloomington and NCRS awards, original bill of sale, and dealer paperwork. Carlisle Blue 2012 Grand Sport, one of our favorite colors. Carlisle, Pennsylvania is one of our favorite places. If you haven't been to Corvettes at Carlisle, you should check it out every August. We've known the Millers for decades and they put on a great event. For sale, 1980 red Corvette, loaded with options, glass T-top, 66,000 original miles. One of our favorite color combinations in a 1980 Corvette. '67 factory black with white interior, 427 tri-power, 4-speed with factory AC, loaded with options, power steering, brakes, windows, headrest seats, speed minder, telescopic wheel, side exhaust, bolt-on wheels, and vinyl hardtop. This car was restored in 1988. In the back here, we have a 2012 ZR1, 1,800 original miles. We just sold to a customer and he's storing with us for the winter. Here's a few cars soon to be for sale. '63 split window, 327 360 fuel injection, Sebring silver, all original bonding strips, spectacular frame, amazing car, everything works including the clock. 2024 Z06 loaded with options, 697 original miles, flawless, perfect condition. This is an amazing car right here, '67 435. It's going to be for sale soon. This car has as much original documentation as we've ever seen. Original bill of sale, protective plate, window sticker, tank sticker, owner history back to 1967, factory side pipes, optional vinyl hardtop, power windows, Bloomington gold, NCRS top flight, loaded with paperwork. Here we have a customer's '67 427 435 coupe in Marina Blue. This is here for some service work, carburetor adjustments, fluids. Great friend of ours, owns this car for a long time. Classic cars, but we really love Corvettes.
Come on in and take a look.
I stuttered.